Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making the transmitter coil. This is where most power is coupled. Wind 20 to 25 turns of enameled copper wire tightly. Keep turns flat and evenly spaced because coil shape controls efficiency. Once done, scrape enamel off each end and tin with solder. This prepares reliable electrical contact. Connect the coil to the wireless charging module pads. Observe polarity markers. Then secure the coil to the non-metal base with hot glue so it won't. Once the coil is attached, power the module from the 5V USB adapter. This energizes the oscillator that creates the charging field. You should test voltage across module points first, make sure 5V is present and no overheating occurs, then place a compatible phone on the marked spot. If the phone begins charging, the field alignment is good. Make sure to center the phone. Slight shifts reduce coupling. If nothing happens, recheck solder joints and coil continuity with your multimeter. You finish by securing the module and hiding wires. Keep vents so heat escapes because modules can get warm during use. Once enclosed, test multiple phones to confirm wide compatibility and note the sweet spot with a sticker. If charging is intermittent, check for loose solder joints or broken coil turns. These are the usual culprits. Then measure input voltage under load. If the adapter drops below 5V, swap it. Finally, avoid metal objects on the pad. They block or heat up from the field.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.